Hi, John. I wanted to take a quick moment to give you a quick testimonial. Yesterday, I made my first online affiliate commission. I'm absolutely, totally excited. And for the first time, I really see that, I have a future in this and I have someone who has my back. So again, John, just thank you so much for your time to just help everybody in the group and just to give us, nothing but value week after week after week. Again, thank you so much.
I didn't really believe it at first, but then I did more research and did it myself, and it worked.
I've been with John's program for a few years now. I remember when I first started out, making my first $100 was a big deal. But I've stuck with John's program and changed my life completely. Able to afford a mortgage and just live the lifestyle that I want right here in Vegas.
Have a day job. And during the day, I'm a visual effects artist, and I work on Hollywood movies doing compositing. And the majority of my days are really locked down by time. But what I like about the course as well is you can work through your own pace and do it at your own time. And the results are astounding. All the videos, too, are really built to get you off the ground as quickly as possible. And I didn't think I would be able to pull it off, and I followed John's instructions step by step. It took a little more than 2 hours, though. I'd say probably about more like 5 or 6 hours, and I made 5 commissions.
It's been amazing, my life, because John's program has actually helped me make an additional $2 million that changed my life.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? I just wanted to let you know that I'm super excited. This is my first week and a half, and I've made some money, and I just wanted to share my joy with you and, give you an example of what I did in the short time that I've learned everything. Not too shabby.
Hi, I'm Shalinda and I just made my first online commission. How does it get any better than that? I'm truly grateful for this program and I look forward to learning whatever it is that I need to know in order to create what is a brand new business embarkment for me. So thank you so much for making this available to everyone. And I just want to take a moment and say I'm so grateful for me for choosing this. By me choosing this allows me to create a reality that is completely different from the one I have at the moment.
By far the best course about how to make sales in any market with any medium ever.
Hey everybody, Curtis here. Just want to give a quick testimonial. Go grab it, get it. It's a great foundation. Somebody wanting to get into affiliate marketing, someone like myself new into it. I learned a lot of stuff from it. Definitely gold nuggets in it, as I like to call it. Just pay close attention, do exactly what he's telling you to do. It's going to be a great foundation to the future that you're wanting for yourself. Like I said, give it a shot. I appreciate you guys' time and thank you.
And I'm David Rocher. I just wanted to reach out. Let's share a little bit about my story. Within the first few exercises, I did the exercises immediately and I got immediate sales and I just couldn't believe it. So I got paid, I've gotten paid, I've made more and more sales, and I'm just so excited to have a mentor that's teaching me exactly what to do, how to do it, what to do, what to post, how to post it, like a cookie cutter system. All I got to do is just follow it and do it, just put my heart into it.
John's training helped me buy a car and stop trading time for money.
And I'm simply blown away. I highly recommend for anybody who's looking to quit their day job. John is an excellent teacher and his program is designed to literally show you every step of the way what to do. Endless possibilities, endless opportunities for you to become your own boss, quit the 9-to-5 and make your own money with minimal effort.
Hello, my name is Sharat. I just made my first commission with the Internet Just Set course. I just followed a small trick that was suggested in the very first video, and I just followed the step and I was able to get a good number of clicks to my Amazon affiliate link that I have posted, and I'm very happy and excited to learn more.
Don't miss out on JC free webinar where you will learn how you can tap into a business right now. Start generating $1,000 per day and 6 figures online in the next 30 days. Just sign up with the link in the description.
John is an excellent teacher, and his program is designed to literally show you every step of the way.
John, hey, it's about 5:40 a.m. Central Time. I just wanted to send you this video and let you know I followed all the directions, did exactly what you said. I checked in my account a few hours later, and I had already gotten 10 clicks and 1 sale, and I could not be happier. Following what you say to do works, because it worked for me.
This is Jake Austin. I'm at my wage slave job, so I have to be careful. But I just made my first commissions online. My first commission online with John Crestani's help. It's not much, but check this out. Somebody bought something that I recommended on Facebook. I recommended a book I read 12 years ago. A nerd history book about World War I. Put a post on Facebook. Somebody bought the damn thing.
I got my first commission for the sale of 2 books. Got really excited. Yeah.
I wanted to say that it works. I'm 15, and within 1 day I've made my first commission. So if I can do it, that means you can too. And what I did was I followed all his steps, because I feel like anybody can do it. You know, you can sit on your bed in your underwear and make money. You just gotta put in the effort, you know?
I'm freaking excited today. If you guys can tell, I got my first sale. Actually, I got 2 of them. I gotta give props to John Crestani. I also signed up for his monthly coaching that he does. It's like $40 or something like that. I am going to sign in. So ClickBank is where I got my first sales commission. If you guys don't know it, know about it, you guys will soon. So there it is. So there's my commissions.
Hey John, Mike Spencer here. It's Memorial Day. I've made a couple of sales, so I appreciate you, John.
And I just made my first commissions. Pretty freaking crazy because I had no clue what I was doing. But I've been in sales for over 20 years. I'm 45 years old, so I've been in sales, customer service. I have no marketing experience, and I know how to set up my email and do things like that. So I have the info up here. I really don't know how to use it, and how to bring it to light. And that's what John's course is helping me do.
It took me about a week to learn. And here I am, 2.5 months later, and I already made about $20,000 in affiliate commissions. You will never, ever go hungry again once you know how to apply. So I can definitely recommend and vouch for your program to anybody, either beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Get that program today and start double, triple, tenfold your income.
Using John's program, been able to generate probably close to $1 million in additional income for myself.
Hey guys, my name's Tomomi, and I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and I've been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited. I implemented what I learned in the program a week ago, and I've made several sales already. Within 2 days I got my first sale. It is so easy to understand, and you get a lot of one-on-one attention if you need it. The community's great, and I totally recommend it. So, thank you John Crestani.
Hi, I've really found that John Crestani's best point is the webinars that he does on a weekly basis, where he's got a live question and answer.
Success leaves trails. And the one thing that I have to say about John is that he lays out the path so simply, so distinctly, that procrastination is going to make you not successful. But if you want to follow a proven path, a simplified path, then John's the way to go. I can't imagine getting more value for the money.
It's worth it to buy John's program because you can double, triple, even quadruple your money in a very short amount of time.
Hi, my name is Demetrius. I basically started using his tactics yesterday and already started seeing results. After going through the program, I made my first commissions basically yesterday. John Cristani, thank you so much for access to your program. It is powerful, and I hope your students and people actually get in, and they'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so thank you again, and I appreciate everything that you put out.